Welcome back to another daily Leetcode breakdown. Today we are looking at the problem titled Minimum Element After Replacement with Digit Sum. Before we begin, if you get confused at any point during this video, please drop a comment below and I will reply to help clarify things. Here is what the problem description looks like, but it's a bit wordy, so let me explain it visually. We start with a list of whole numbers, which we'll call our input list. For every single number in this list, we need to separate it into its individual digits and add them together. We replace the original numbers with those new sums, effectively creating a transformed list. Finally, we just need to scan through this new list, find the absolute smallest number, and return it. Let's walk through an example to be absolutely sure. Take the number 10. We split the 1 and the 0, add them up, and get a sum of 1. We repeat this exact process for 12, 13, and 14, giving us 3, 4, and 5. Looking at our final sums, the smallest value is 1, so 1 is our answer. As always, we will walk through the solution using Python, but stick around to the end for the Java, C++, and JavaScript versions. The editorial calls this approach mathematics, because we are going to extract the digits using purely math, rather than converting numbers to text strings. The core trick relies on two operations: modulo 10 to grab the last digit of a number, and integer division by 10 to chop that digit off. Here is the full Python code. It's pretty compact, but let's zoom in and go through it line by line. First, we set our answer variable to 37. But why that specific number? The problem constraints say our numbers will never be larger than 10,000. The largest possible digit sum for numbers up to that limit comes from 9,999, which sums up to 36. So by setting our initial answer to 37, we guarantee that the very first digit sum we calculate will definitely be smaller, allowing us to accurately track the minimum. Next, we start a loop that will look at every single number inside our given list. For each new number, we create a variable named dig and set it to 0. This will hold the running total of the digits for the current number. We use a while loop that keeps running as long as our current number hasn't been completely chopped down to 0 yet. Inside the loop, we use modulo 10 to peel off the very last digit, and we immediately add that digit to our running total. Then, we do integer division by 10. This effectively deletes the last digit we just processed, shifting everything over. Once the while loop finishes and a number is fully summed up, we use the minimum function to keep whichever is smaller, our previous lowest answer, or this newly calculated digit sum. Finally, after checking every number in the list, we return the absolute smallest sum we encountered. By the way, if you want to copy and paste this exact code into Leetcode without retyping it, you can find it on my website via the link in the description. Seeing the code is one thing, but tracing it helps it click. Let's do a quick dry run with a simple list containing the numbers 12 and 9. We start with our answer at 37. Our loop begins with the first number, 12, and we reset our digit sum to 0. 12 modulo 10 gives us 2, which is the last digit. We add that to our sum. 12 divided by 10 gives us 1. The last digit is chopped off. The loop continues because 1 is greater than 0. 1 modulo 10 is 1. We add that to our sum of 2, making it 3. 1 divided by 10 is 0. The while loop for the number 12 is now finished. We compare our old answer, 37, to our new sum, 3. 3 is smaller, so it becomes our new answer. You always want to think about edge cases. For instance, what if one of the numbers is 0? Well, our while loop explicitly checks if the number is greater than 0. So if we encounter a 0, the loop skips, the sum stays 0, and it perfectly updates our minimum without any errors. Now let's talk about efficiency. The time complexity is big O of n log d. N represents the number of items in our list, and d represents the largest number we might encounter. The log d part comes from the inner loop. Because we divide by 10 on every step, the loop only runs a number of times equal to the amount of digits in the number, which grows logarithmically. The space complexity is an incredibly efficient big O of 1. This is because we aren't creating any new lists or massive data structures. We only use a couple of simple variables that take up a constant, tiny amount of memory no matter how large the input list is. A great takeaway from this problem is that using pure math to extract digits is almost always faster than converting numbers to strings first. It's a fantastic pattern to memorize for interviews. Alright, as promised, let's look at how to write this in a few other popular languages. First up, here is the full solution written out in Java. Next, here is the exact same logic written in C++. And finally, here is the solution adapted for JavaScript, using math.floor for the division. Before you go, a very quick channel update. You can probably tell this is an AI voice. I built this to help me study, and I'm currently testing out this much faster slide format to keep things concise. Please let me know down in the comments if you prefer this snappier style over long paragraphs, and be sure to ask any lingering questions you have about the code we just wrote. Also, check out my other channel, Leetcode Unlocked, where my crazy goal is to eventually upload a solution for literally every single problem on the platform. If these videos help you keep your daily streak alive, please like and subscribe. If you want to support my goal of keeping these videos completely ad-free, consider tossing me a couple bucks at buymeaboba.com/LeetCodeDaily. Keep coding, and I'll see you tomorrow.